Microscopes are valuable science tools because they let us see details that are too small to see with our eyes alone. But to use a microscope correctly and safely, we need to understand its main parts and what each one does. First, the arm or handle and the base are important for carrying the microscope. Always carry it with 2 hands, one hand holding the arm and the other supporting the base. This helps prevent the microscope from being dropped or damaged. The base also supports the whole microscope and keeps it stable on the bench. The eyepiece, also called the ocular lens, is the lens you look through. It magnifies the image so you can see the specimen more clearly. On some microscopes, the eyepiece lens can be changed to provide different levels of magnification. The objective lenses are the lenses close to the slide. They provide different levels of magnification. It is best to start with the lowest power objective first, then move to higher magnification once the specimen is centered and focused. The revolving nose piece holds the objective lenses. You rotate it carefully to change from one objective lens to another. The stage is the flat platform where the slide sits. The specimen should be placed over the opening in the stage so light can pass through it. The illuminator provides light from below the stage. Before switching it on, make sure the microscope is plugged in, if it needs power. The switch turns the light on and off. The coarse focus knob moves the stage or lens quickly to bring the image roughly into focus. Use this first, especially on low power. The fine focus knob makes smaller adjustments. This is used to sharpen the image, especially when using higher magnification. To use a microscope safely, start on low power. Focus slowly, and never force the lenses or knobs. With careful handling and the right technique, a microscope becomes one of the most useful tools in the science lab.